Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video Lily Fever will see in this video's new all top stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. Lovely Fever will see in this video's modern and trending and stylish unique garden decoration ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded new all very creative and trending landscaping designs, garden decorations ideas, so I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So guys, I might suggest it just keep on watching this videos till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. These are all my favorite collections. You will see in all stylish and creative landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. So viewers, this video is very attractive and very stylish design. So watch my videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video till the end. Top creative and trending and stylish, unique, beautiful garden decorations ideas. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this videos. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore. So you will see in all stylish and creative and trending landscaping ideas. So guys, I might suggest it just keep on watching this video. Pet chow stylish and trending and creative unique garden decorations ideas, landscaping designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am going to share with you in this video till the end. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video till the end, so you will see all stylish and attractive and trending landscaping design, garden decorations ideas. Watch me all top creative and trending stylish landscaping ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I hope you like new all creative modern garden decorations ideas. So guys, I might suggest it just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I hope you like me all top stylish and trending unique